Ready to ditch the dongles and level up your in-person payment game with a sleek, secure, and seamless solution? Today, we're diving deep into how to set up your Stripe reader, transforming it from a brand new piece of hardware into your ultimate point-of-sale companion. First, unbox your Stripe reader and ensure you have all the necessary components: the reader itself, a USB-C cable, and any included documentation. Next, you'll need a device to connect it to, whether you're using the Stripe dashboard on your computer or a compatible point-of-sale app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now, connect your Stripe reader to your device. Depending on your setup, you can connect via Bluetooth or USB. For Bluetooth, navigate to your device's Bluetooth settings. Put your Stripe reader into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button until the light flashes blue, and select it from the list of available devices. If you prefer USB, simply plug the reader into your device using the provided cable. Your device should automatically detect the reader in your Stripe dashboard or POS app. Go to the reader settings section and confirm that your Stripe reader is connected and recognize. This usually involves selecting the reader from a list. Finally, perform a test transaction to ensure everything is working smoothly. Process a small payment using a test card or by manually entering card details. Once the transaction is successful, you're all set to start accepting payments with your Stripe reader. That's it. You've successfully set up your Stripe reader. Now you can effortlessly accept in-person payments and enjoy unified financial management with Stripe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave any questions you have in the comments below.